Hello everyone, welcome to Homoeopathic. Today we will discuss one of the important homeopathic remedy which is used in our clinical practice and for exam. It is a major remedy, Belladonna. In Latin, it is made up of two words, Bella and Donna, which means beautiful lady. In the olden days, it is used as a cosmetic. In this video, we will discuss general introduction, guiding symptoms, mind symptoms, particulars including head, GIT, fever, skin, female reproductive system. Coming to general introduction. Prover, Hahnemann. Common name is deadly nightshade. Family, Solanaceae. Thermal, chili, and it covers the miasm, predominantly Sora. Coming to the guiding symptoms. Congestion, redness, heat, burning are the characteristics of belladonna. These signs present in almost all the symptoms. It is always associated with hot, red skin, flushed face, glaring eyes, throbbing carotids, excited mental state, and hyperesthesia of all the senses. Along with above signs of inflammation, swelling or edema also present. Belladonna is one of the trios of delirious remedy. The other remedies are Hyos and Stramonium. You will get a question of differentiation between Belladonna, Hyos and Stramonium. Next point, coming to the great pain remedy. Pain comes and goes suddenly, especially in the neuralgic pain. Next, dryness of the mouth and throat with aversion to the water. There will be a dryness of the mouth and throat. Patient is very much sleepy but cannot sleep. The other remedies are chamomilla, stramonium and opium. The belladonna is given for air sickness in the aviator. It is used as a preventive medicine. Next, coming to mind symptoms. As I told, it is one of the trios of delirious remedy. The major symptom is delirium. Delirium, it is of kind of violent delirium, disposition to bite, spit, strike and tear things, breaks into the fits of laughter and gnashes teeth, wants to bite and strike the attenders, tries to escape. So what is delirium? Delirium, it is a mental state in which there is a confused thinking and lack of surrounding awareness. We will discuss about delirium and other medicine part in the upcoming videos. Next, imagination. The belladonna patient imagines he sees a ghost, hideous faces, various insects, black animals, dogs and wolves. Patient, he lives in his own world of his own and oblivious to surrounding relatives. Oblivious means not aware of what's happening around. Next, coming to fear. Fear of imaginary things, wants to run away from them. Hallucination is present and there is a great fear of dogs. These points are very helpful. Delirium, imagination and fear. These are the three peculiar characteristic mind symptoms of belladonna. Next, coming to particulars. In particulars, the main important aspect is head. There will be a congestive headache with red face, throbbing of brain and carotids. The rush of blood to the head with pulsation. Headache aggravated from slight noise, jar, motion, light, lying down, least exertion, ill effects from the cold, right side, and from having the haircut. If any patient comes with headache after having haircut, you can give belladonna. In the aviators, it can be used as a preventive for headache and nausea. And this headache complaint is ameliorated by pressure, tight bandage, wrapping up, and during menses. you will get a cases where the patient comes with head wrapped with cloth, kerchief like that. Coming to vertigo, vertigo it is caused by stooping or when raised after stooping on every change of position. Stooping means bending forward like that. Next, coming to throat. Throat, it is dry as if glazed and redness. You can see in the picture, it is a typical belladonna throat. There will be a sensation of lump and tonsils. It will be enlarged, worse on the right side. There will be a hypertrophy of mucous membrane. Coming to GIT. In GIT, the belladonna abdomen is distended and hot, cutting pain across, and there will be a stitching pain in the left side of the abdomen. The complaint aggravated by coughing, sneezing, or touching it. There will be a transverse colon protrudes like a pad, and loss of appetite and aversion to meat and milk. There will be a great thirst for cold water. Next, coming to female reproductive system. Sensation of pressing downwards as if the contents of the abdomen would issue from the vulva. It means there will be a bearing down sensation from the vulva. The complaints aggravated in the morning and ameliorated by standing and sitting erect. The other remedies Lilium tig, murex, and sepia. You may get a question for a differentiation between Lilium tig, murex, and sepia and belladonna. Next, coming to fever. Belladonna, it is often used in our clinical practice for fever. So what are the symptoms? So high fever with flushed face. You can see in the picture. The mucous membrane of the mouth is dry and no thirst with fever. Head is hot and painful. There will be a congestive headache. Perspiration dry only on the head. The patient sleepy but cannot sleep. The main ailments from cold wind and haircut. There is also convulsions during teething with fever. The fever comes suddenly with head hot and feet cold. Convulsions also come suddenly. Coming to skin. In skin, there is a dry and hot, swollen, sensitive, alternative redness and paleness of the skin in duration of after inflammation. The clinical conditions like boils, acne, rosacea, suppurative wounds, belladonna can be given if symptom matches. Coming to modalities. The complaints aggravated on touch, motion, noise, draft of air, looking at bright shining object after 3 p.m. night, after midnight, while drinking, uncovering the head, summer sun and haircut. And the complaint ameliorated by rest, standing or sitting erect, warm room, pressure and tight bandaging. The complementary remedy is calcarea carb. Belladonna is acute of calcarea, which is often required to complete a cure. Thank you. Follow us on Instagram, like and subscribe for future reference. Thank you.